morning, my name is Barry Miller. I'm a member of the DVIRC team, and we want to welcome you here today to our 6th Manufacturing Summit. We have a theme this year called Making It Together. The small to mid-sized manufacturers, large manufacturers, software and hardware application companies, designers, makers, the students and faculty that are here. This is all part of this manufacturing ecosystem that we need to start to get really good at so that we can quickly design, we can quickly build and make products.
We used to address market opportunity as an organization. It was our product, our service, our business, our marketplace. It's no longer the case. Markets aren't owned by any one company. They're owned by ecosystems. And that's why this notion of having an ecosystem is so important.
The networking is good for me to see, listening to the speakers. You know, you get so caught up in your day-to-day at work, and to have that outside challenge and perspective to remind me that I need to be looking strategically at the big picture.
The economy is growing. It's going to continue to grow in 2018. So if you were busy in 2017, you're about to get even busier for 2018. This is the time to be taking some risks. Go for it. Make the changes that need to be made.
You know what needs to be done. You know what's going to make your business work. Just get out there and do it, and stop waiting for somebody to give you permission.
Organizations like DVIRC help small to mid-sized manufacturers navigate the complicated space of digital manufacturing design technologies.
Better ideas usually come from the small and medium-sized companies. Those are the engines of growth in the economy, and DVIRC specifically helps those companies build the capacity and the capability of large organizations. So you've got the best of both worlds there. You look at the world through the eyes of a small company and entrepreneur, but you actually manage it through the eyes of a larger company. Operational excellence and innovation excellence at the same time. So being part of an ecosystem actually reduces your risk in many ways and increases your likelihood of success.
A local regional event like this, I look to have more intimate conversations with entrepreneurs like these people over here, and follow the emerging trends and get more connected to them as they grow.
I'm an engineer by trade, so seeing where trends are, seeing where the economics are, seeing actually different generations coming together as well, from younger generations to older generations, and how they interact, it's pretty key.
I think we need to connect better. You need someone who's really attuned to all of the people that work in the region, and I think DVIRC is really good for that.
You're going to hear speakers that you may not see in other places, particularly the variety of speakers. Today there's economists, there's people who are really dealing with the future of manufacturing, others with the nuts and bolts of it. So you'll get a really good cross-section of information, as well as have an opportunity to network with other manufacturers who are in this area, and many of the vendors who are providing both services and products and things to enhance their manufacturing.
We would like to reach out to you. We need to understand where you think your challenges will be over the next 5 years. The President signed out an executive order saying, go review our current industrial base. And if this is important to you guys, please contact our office, and I'd love to hear from you guys.
We wanted to come out and really let people know how they could use drones, how they could use counter-drone technologies to really increase their company's efficiency and get people excited about the industry and increase their awareness, because this is definitely going to be a technology that adds to the economy, especially in this region.
So we definitely see the Delaware Valley as an opportunity for growth. Here we have an industrious base, we have good educated people, we have a hardworking workforce, it's easy access, and most important, it has a collaborative spirit.
We're all here because we know that manufacturing matters. Gatherings like this are even more important now than ever. And so I hope you'll enjoy today, you'll learn, network from peers, use the great team at DVIRC.
Now is the time to take some risks, to make things happen. This is not the time in the cycle to be tepid about the future.